Shout out to Really Big D. Shout out to Casper the Ghost.
I was thinking it's bad. It is what it is.
I drop it sometimes. I know.
Start the video over, then film it.
Really? Is that how you feel? Hey, say what's up.
What's up? What's my channel?
Twin brother don't got no skills, right? I'm better than you. So like I said, shout out to Really Big D, Casper the Ghost, all the motherfuckers. Cotton shit. Motherfucking, all the motherfucking niggas. Hold on, let's just do one more trick. Vanilla Ninja strikes again. Oh, you suck.
I'll leave it with you for you or losing, man.
I wanted a Colt 45, but
I love country club. It tastes smooth.
I had to settle for that.
It's just as smooth.
I'm probably not going to finish it on tape. Just trying to get back in the YouTube drinking community game. So make sure to get the shout outs out and everything. If you're watching, leave a comment. And say in Hawaiian, OD, Tiny Tim.
Hey, Tiny Tim, you the business. And say in Hawaiian, he be like this all the time. Like this, like this.
The Karoo. I don't know why you changed your name, but you know what I'm saying? Still watching. Summoner Kulo, your man is a puto. Called the hurricane right here.
Oh my gosh. Oh.
I can do the hurricane.
We'll make another
Let me try that.
so I can get a video. How about a split? Here. Here. Oh,
Yeah, remember the camera's down here. Alright, well I got like a minute left of battery. I'm gonna take one more chug and then...
Sam got a